In this video series, we're going to be taking a look at the Carabiner pin found in the IED curriculum specifically for activity 226 called top down or bottom up. Within this video series, we're going to be looking at how to model all the individual parts and components and then look at bringing them together for the assembly like what you see here on the screen. Some of the starting positions that we will look at will be how do we break this up into manageable parts for students. Within this, we will look at one student being able to take a look at how to model just two parts. Most of this project is split up where each student will be required to model two components of the Carabiner pin. And to start off with, these particular components are top-down modeled, and then they will be brought together in a bottom-up modeling approach to bring the parts and sub-assemblies together and in order to assemble those. In each one of the videos, I will go through and kind of communicate how those sub-assemblies will be created, and then those can be combined to make the final assembly model that you see here on the screen.